everyone. Welcome back to our space dedicated to science, where we try to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Today, we are tackling a very exciting topic. We are talking about dark matter and dark energy. These two creatures make up 95% of our universe. Amazing, isn't it? And what do we know about them? Well, not much, I must say. That is because we can neither see them nor touch them. But fear not, we are not talking about ghosts, but about two fundamental components of our universe that scientists are trying to understand. Today, we will delve into this fascinating journey. First, let's get to know our first dark protagonist, dark matter. Have you ever wondered how scientists discovered its existence if they cannot see or touch it? Sounds a bit like looking for a black cat in a dark room, doesn't it? The discovery of dark matter has been something of a scientific detective story. In 1933, an astrophysicist named Fritz Zwicky was observing the rotation of galaxies. He realized that something was wrong. The galaxies were rotating too fast, so fast that they should have dispersed into space, according to the laws of physics. So he thought, there must be something more holding everything together. Hear that something is precisely dark matter. So even though we cannot see it, dark matter makes itself felt through the force of gravity it exerts on normal matter. Let's say it's kind of like the wind. We don't see it, but we see the leaves moving when it blows. So, dark matter, what on earth is it? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Or maybe, I should say, from a million particles of dark matter. Because the truth is, we don't know exactly what it is. We do know, however, that it is something very different from normal matter. It does not interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation. So we cannot see it with telescopes or detect it with our scientific instruments. Scientists think that dark matter is composed of ghost particles, called WIMPs, which are weakly interacting massive particles. And believe me, they are working hard to try to find them. So we have met our first dark friend. But there is another mysterious component of the universe that is worth knowing about: dark energy. This is kind of the weird cousin of dark matter. The discovery of dark energy came as a real surprise to scientists. In mile 998, they were trying to measure how fast the universe was expanding. And here comes the surprise. Not only is the universe expanding, but it is doing it faster and faster. Imagine throwing a ball up in the air, and instead of seeing it slow down and fall back down, it starts rising higher and higher and faster. That's pretty much what's happening to the universe. And dark energy is that mysterious thing that is pushing it to expand faster and faster. We can say then that dark energy is like trying to catch a ghost. Let's see what we know about this elusive entity. So what exactly is dark energy? A witch? A ghost? No, not exactly, although sometimes it seems just as mysterious. Dark energy is that something that is pushing the universe to expand faster and faster. Yes, I know, it sounds like the stuff of science fiction, but it's true. Scientists don't know exactly what dark energy is, but they have some ideas. One possibility is that dark energy is a kind of vacuum energy, which exists even in the emptiest space. Another possibility is that there is a new form of field energy, called the quintessence field, that fills the universe. Or it could be that we do not understand gravity well and need to revise Einstein's theory of general relativity. Well, yes, Einstein may have been wrong, but we don't know that yet. We have talked about dark matter and dark energy, but how are scientists trying to find it? Well, it is not an easy task, I assure you. It is a bit like trying to find a needle in a haystack as big as the universe. For dark matter, Scientists are building more and more sensitive detectors, and they are putting them deep inside the Earth to protect them from background radiation. The idea is that every now and then a dark matter particle will pass through the detector and leave a small trace of energy. It's like trying to catch a ghost in a jar, but hopefully it will work. For dark energy, the search is even more complicated. Scientists are trying to precisely measure the expansion of the universe and to understand how it has changed over time. They are using increasingly powerful telescopes and space satellites to observe the universe's past and present. Okay, so we have talked about how dark matter and dark energy are the great mysteries of the universe. But why should we care about them? Don't we already have enough problems here on Earth? Well, to begin with, solving these mysteries would help us understand the universe we live in. We know that there is something out there that makes up 95% of the universe that we don't understand. It's like living in a house and not knowing what's in 9 out of 10 rooms. Kind of creepy, isn't it? Second, the history of science teaches us that every time we discover something new about the universe, we end up finding ways to use that knowledge. When Newton discovered the laws of gravity, he was not thinking about space travel. Yet, without the understanding of gravity, we could not have sent astronauts to the moon. So even though we don't know now how we might use the knowledge of dark matter and dark energy, we can't even imagine what discoveries it might lead to in the future. Who can say? Maybe someday we could use dark energy to travel faster than light, but for now it is only science fiction. We have reached the end of our journey into the unknown. Dark matter and dark energy are two of the greatest mysteries of modern science. But as with any self-respecting mystery, the search for the truth is what makes the journey exciting. As we have seen, scientists are working hard to try to unravel these mysteries. And although we don't have the answers yet, each attempt brings us a little closer to the truth. So the next time you look at the starry sky, remember that there is much more to it than what we see. There are deep, dark mysteries waiting to be uncovered. I can't wait to see what the future of research holds. Who knows, maybe one day we will be the ones to unravel these mysteries. But for now, let's hold on to our curiosity and keep exploring. Thank you for following along on this journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.